Butters, share with Bryson. Help!
Right here, hurry. Yeah.
Get it, come on. Oh, Butters wants it. Butters wants it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go back to the other one.
Hurry.
Get it, hurry. Okay, run him this way. Walk him this way. Come on, hurry, get it. Let's go. Just run him.
Really? Come on.
He's not going to be like Pookie. Where are you going? Whoa.
Come on, hurry.
Leave it on Butters for me. Again. Hey, can you say hi?
No.
Please?
No.
Can you say hi, Mimi?
I did.
Bryson. Oh. He just trampled the kid. It's on Butters. Hurry, look. Get it. Uh-oh, Butters. Oh. He's pulling Butters. Oh.